Sandali, bakit mo naman ako dinala dito? Baka mamaya kung anong sabihin ng mga magulang mo. Sandali, bakit nga ba nila ako gusto makausap?
I don't know. Maybe they want to apologize for their bad behavior.
Alam mo, kasalanan din yan ng mga magulang
Stop.
ko eh.
Let's forget about them for a while. I want to spend time with you. Alone.
Ay, ang cute! Ang cute naman ito. Paiksi ng paiksi yung bangs mo dito ah. Ano to? Bakit may mga...
Well,
ganito,
ito ang mga
pins.
places na napuntahan ko na.
Wow! Hindi lang pala neseo ang lehet. Napuntahan mo na rin ang lehet. Alam mo, meron ka pang lugar na napuntahan na hindi mo pa nalalagyan ng pin.
Saan?
Ayan. Dito sa puso ko. I love you, Sean. Labis-labis.
I love you. Labis-labis.
O basta, kahit anong mangyari, hindi tayo maghihiwalay, ha?
My God, I still can't believe na yun ang klase ng pamilya ng babaeng pakakasalan ni Sean. Ano na lang ang sasabihin ng mga amiga ko? Fonz? Hello? What are you doing?
I'm taking my medicine and I'm putting a lot of dosage para lang maharap itong kasal na ito.
Do you really think that there is going to be a wedding?
Obviously, yes. Mahal ng anak mo yung babae.
Ay, tama ka dyan, Daddy. Hindi lang niya mahal. As in love talaga siya.
Ay naku, wala na tayong magagawa doon. Let's accept the fact na minalas tayo at swinerte sila.
Pag pinakasalan ni Sean yung babaeng yon, para nanalo sa lottery yung family ni Wendy.
Oh well, if we can stop this wedding, maybe we can find ways para hindi tayo maisahan.
What do you mean?
It seems na talagang desidido na kayong dalawa na magpakasal. And you know us, Sean. We've always been here for you. So, your dad and I talked about it, and we decided to support you and your decision.
Well, thank you, Mom. But I don't understand. Bakit kailangan nandito si Attorney Gatmaitan?
Pinatawag ako ng mami mo. So, we can discuss your prenuptial agreement.
Prenuptial agreement po?
Let me explain. Ang prenuptial agreement, or prenup, ay isang kontrata between a couple that's about to get married. In the event of maghiwalay kayo, then it will be very clear who gets what money or what property.
Let's get straight to the point here, attorney. Nakalagay sa kontrata na kapag nagkahiwalay silang dalawa, walang makukuha si Wendy ni isang kusing. And you don't mind naman, iha, hindi ba? Anyway, you are marrying my son for his love and not for his money. Am I right?
Who said there was going to be a prenup anyway?
Honey, you'll be needing one. Hindi ka naman anak ng basta-basta dyan. Anak ka ng isang multi-billionaire.
Then cut me out of Dad's will. I don't need his money, and I'm gonna start my own business soon.
Sean, tama na eh. Makinig ka na lang sa mami mo. Tama naman yung mami mo, hindi naman pera habol ko sa'yo eh. Tsaka, kung may prenup o wala, okay lang sa akin.
Oh, see? There we go. Thank you, Wendy, for being so practical about this.